Good day everyone. Today I will discussing Republic Act 7877, also known as Anti-Sexual Harassment Act of 1995. This law was created to protect individuals from sexual harassment, especially in places where authority and power exist such as school and workplace. Republic Act 7877 was enacted in 1995 to address and prevent sexual harassment. It protects employees, students, and trainees from abusive behavior. The law applies to workplace, educational institution, and training environments where people may feel pressured because of authority. What is sexual harassment? Sexual harassment refers to any unwanted sexual advance, requests for sexual favors, or sexual conduct. This can be verbal, nonverbal, or physical. It usually happens when a person in authority uses their position to demand or expect sexual favors. Where does RA 7877 apply? RA 7877 applies in workplace, educational institution, and training centers. Example include employer to employee, teacher to student, and trainer to trainee. Relationship: the law applies when the offender has authority, influence, or moral ascendancy over the victim. Forms of sexual harassment. Sexual harassment can take many forms. These include unwanted touching, malicious sexual jokes or comments, requesting sexual favors in exchange for promotion or grades, and displaying offensive sexual materials. Even action that seems like joke can be considered harassment. Responsibilities of employers and schools. Employers and school authorities have the responsibility to prevent sexual harassment. They must create clear procedure for investigation, form a committee or decorum and investigation or CODI, and impose proper disciplinary action on offenders. Penalties under RA 7877. Violators of RA 7877 may face imprisonment from 1 month to 6 months or a fine ranging from 10,000 to 28,000 pesos. Aside from this, administrative sanctions such as suspension or dismissal may also apply. Importance of RA 7877. RA 7877 is important because it protects human dignity and promotes safe environment. It encourages victims to report harassment and ensure that offenders are held accountable. This law helps create respectful workplace and schools. In conclusion, RA 7877 safeguards individuals from sexual harassment. Everyone has the right to feel safe and respected. Knowing and understanding this law helps prevent abuse and promotes a culture of accountability and respect. Thank you for listening. I hope this presentation helped you understand the importance of the Anti-Sexual Harassment Act of 1995.